Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about backing up. So every company, no matter whether you're a small one-man band or you're a larger organization, it still comes down to the same thing. Your data should be in at least 3 different locations because things go wrong. We had a case yesterday where a company got flooded. Their computer was on the ground, the backup hard drive was on the ground, both got flooded. And we're in the process of going through data recovery at the moment, but your data can be lost for many reasons. People quite often use these little USB external hard drives, and inside it is just a laptop drive. These get dropped, the drive fails, they get hit by lightning, water damage, you name it. There's so many ways that a drive can fail. Sometimes it's just purely mechanical failure. No matter what happens, your drive is always going to fail. It's just a matter of when it's going to fail. So with that in mind, your data should be in 3 different places. Now, you may have a simple PC or a laptop, or you could have a more advanced rack server. You could have a Drobo system. You could have a stand-up server like this. It doesn't matter. It comes down to the same thing. Keep your data in 3 different places. So this is what we recommend. Have your main data on your computer or your server. Have it backed up once a day to a NAS drive. And your NAS drive, which is network attached storage, generally has multiple drives in it. Your server should have multiple drives in it running on a RAID system, which means that one drive fails, you can revert to the other hard drive without losing any data. So 1 on your computer or server, 2 on your NAS drive, 3 back it up to the cloud. So catastrophic, everything goes out, you've still got it in the cloud. And 4, you can actually use these as an offsite backup where you plug them in, back it up to an external hard drive and take it somewhere else. But do not rely on one backup alone, because we've seen people get hit with crypto, we've seen people get with lightning, we've seen water damage. Don't do it. Your data is valuable. Make sure you've got it in 3 different places, and one of them should be offsite, away from where your current data is stored. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.